By 2030, AI will replace your job. That's what everyone keeps saying. But here's the real question. Will AI take your job, or can you use AI to take someone else's? New AI tools are launching almost every single day, and most people are scared of them. But the ones who understand how AI works, they're already ahead of the game. Before we go any further, let me show you something shocking. These are product ads. The models you see are not real. These ads were not created by a big production company, and I didn't spend thousands of dollars making them. Every ad you're seeing right now is 100% AI generated, created using completely free tools. Crazy, right? And here's the best part. I'm going to show you exactly how to do this yourself, step by step. In this video, you'll learn how to generate professional-level ads for your Shopify store or any e-commerce product, without cameras, without studios, and without hiring anyone. If you've ever thought, I can't afford ads like big brands, this video is going to change that. So don't blink, because by the end of this video, you'll know how to turn AI into your personal ad agency. Let's start.
The very first step is creating a model. And don't worry, if you don't know how to make your own model yet, you're not stuck. Just go to my channel and watch this video. I've explained the full process there, step by step. In that video, I show you exactly how people are creating their own AI influencers and making serious money from them. But maybe you don't want to do all that right now. Maybe you just want to get started fast. That's totally fine, because there's an easier way. Instead of creating your own model, you can simply use a random one. And for that, we'll use ChatGPT. I'll give ChatGPT a simple prompt like this. Generate a full-body image of a female influencer with blonde hair and brown eyes. She's wearing a white A-line dress, and the background is clean, light green.
And the age must be 23.
The moment you send this prompt, ChatGPT creates a brand new model for you. No camera, no photo shoot, no real person. Just like that, half of the work is already done, and we're only getting started.
Wow, this is an amazing result. Even though it added a mobile phone on its own, that's not a problem. We can easily manage it. Now, let's download the photo. Now that we have our model ready, the next step is to create ads using her. For this, we're going to use Google Nano Banana. First, open this website and sign in with your Gmail account. You'll see an interface like this on your screen. Click on Try Nano Banana Pro. It may ask for a paid API key, but don't panic. Simply look to the top right corner where it says Nano Banana Pro, click on it, and then select the Images option. After that, choose Simple Nano Banana. Next, you'll see a plus icon at the bottom. Click on it and upload your model image. Along with that, upload an image of any product. For example, I'll choose this lotion bottle. Now, just give it a simple text command like, create an image where this girl is holding this lotion bottle in her left hand, and the background should be a bedroom, and the girl should be sitting at a dressing table. After that, on the left side, select the image ratio. I'll choose portrait mode, which is 9:16. Then, click on Generate, and wait a few moments. Now, look at this. Nano Banana has generated an excellent image completely for free. And the best part is, you can edit it however you want. For example, you can give another command like change the dress of this girl or change the background, and within a few seconds, it will generate a new image exactly the way you want.
Now that our model is ready and the ad images are almost done, there's one more important thing. An ad without video doesn't really feel powerful. So for that, we need to go back to ChatGPT. First, upload your generated photo to ChatGPT. Then ask it something like, I want to create a promotional ad for this lotion. This is the image I want to turn into a video.
Please give me 5 video generation prompt ideas for this ad, and also write a 5-second dialogue for each one that promotes this lotion. After that, ChatGPT will give you 5 different ideas. These are the ideas we'll use to promote our ads. Now that we have those 5 ideas, the next step is simple. Open the website Grok.com. After logging in, you'll see an interface like this. Don't worry at all, this is a completely free tool that converts images into videos. On the left side, you'll see several options. Click on the Imagine button and upload your image. Once the image is uploaded, switch the mode from image to video. Then paste the prompt you generated from ChatGPT into the text box and click on Start. In just a few moments, your video will be ready. Let's check the result.
Every morning, I choose soft, smooth, confident skin with Dove.
Pretty amazing, right? This way, you can create dozens of video ads every single day completely for free. No hours of heavy editing and no spending thousands of dollars. Everything is done using free tools.
Now you can download this video by click on this small download button and save it to your computer. If you feel that the voice in this ad sounds too AI generated, don't worry at all. I've got a solution for that too. Simply open the website ElevenLabs.io. After logging in, select the text-to-speech option. Paste your video dialogue into the text box. Then go to the Voices section where you'll find a wide range of male and female voices. Choose the one you like the most. After that, click the Generate button and your voiceover will be ready in seconds. Download it. Now, open any editing software you prefer and import both the video and the audio file. Place the video onto the timeline and mute its original sound. Then add the generated voiceover below the video track, making sure the dialogue lines up perfectly with the visuals. Once everything sounds right, export the video. And now check this out.
Every morning, I choose soft, smooth, confident skin with Dove.
As you can see, there is a clear and noticeable difference between this version of the video and the first one we generated. This simple change makes the ad look much more polished and professional. In the same way, you can create ads for your own products anytime, completely free. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Till then, bye.